In this video, you will learn how to set alerts on TradingView. First, open TradingView and choose a chart. Open TradingView and load the chart for the asset you want to monitor. Choose the condition for your alert. Hover over or click the price level where you want to set the alert. Right click and select alert from the menu. Configure alert settings. A window will pop up and you can customize the alert, such as conditions. Set what triggers the alert. This could be price crossing a certain level. Options. Choose whether the alert triggers once, every time, or under certain conditions. Expiration. Set how long you want the alert to stay active for. This could be 2 days, 10 minutes, 12 hours. Alert actions. Decide how you want to be notified. This could be email, app, pop-up notification, or more. Create the alert. Click Create button to activate your alert. Manage alerts. Use the alert panel, usually at the bottom of the screen, to view, edit, or even delete past alerts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.